In this video lecture, we are going to learn about arrays in C programming. Alright, so we're going to look at how to save the memory locations in our programming. So how do you save memory locations? You can use an array to do that. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to create something called char. Let's call that to be me, anything, and I can assign this to be educate Ifani Chugu. Alright, so press semicolon at the end. Now, if I go ahead and print this out, it's going to be printed out very well. But if I want to save the memory location, I can assign, I tell the computer that I need this to hold only 20 characters because it's just only 20 characters, including the space. So how do I do that? I use what is called an array. I can come over here and put in this and set 20. So only 20 characters will be saved. Therefore, it can keep this in, use this 20 characters and use the remaining memory to do other things. Okay, so I'm learning how to set memory using an array. Then let's go ahead and print this out and check out this. So I can go ahead and say print f, and right here I can say the data value is, let's go out to the data value. So the data value is percentage s, and you go ahead and call me for a semicolon at the end. So now let's go ahead and run this and check this out. So you can see that the data value is educate Ifanichuku. So in this way, only 20 characters we are stored, and other memory can be used for any other thing you want to do. So this is to work off an array, and you can be able to change any of these index. So let's go ahead and close this and we'll look into the program. So if you want to count these, this is index 0. E is index 0. So whenever you're counting an array, you start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So don't just come here and just count this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I want to change the index E to maybe G or any S or anything, let's go ahead and copy this and check it out. So I'll go ahead and copy all these. Come over here and press that. So what I need to do is I will show the index, maybe index 0. I want to change index 0 E. Okay. So I will assign another value to index 0 and I can call that to be, let's call that to be G. Alright. Put this in a single quotation mark, single quotation, and G right there. You don't need a char again because we have char or declared right here already. So this is char me. So I am just changing the index of 0 to G. So I don't need to put char again. And if I run this code, and there is here. So let us start on the next line because they're just in one line. Consider the data value is educate and everything is in just the same line. So let's go ahead and close this and put this up in the next line, and let's put escape character next line. Let's run the code and check it out. So this has moved over to the next line. So the very first one says the data value is educate Fanchuku, and the next one says the data value is G is now replaced with E. G is now replaced in the place of E. You can see that right here. So in that way you can change other ones and So run this code and let's check that out. So you can see this is educate. Alright. So that is that for now. So for a character value, you use single quotation mark, and for a string value, you go ahead and use double quotation mark for that, okay? So the next thing is you can be able to change a text. Maybe you can change this entirely, replacing this. So how can you do that? Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. If you want to do that, use another command, and that is called strl raw. strcpy. strcpy, and that takes two arguments. The first one is the array name. So me, the array name, and what I want to change is, I want that to change to hello world. Okay, now let's go ahead and print that out, put a semicolon at the end, and I'm going to say printf. So printf, and I'm going to say the new value. The new value is %s. For this to be the next line, okay? So it will be in the same line, and go ahead and call me, put a semicolon at the end. See? Put a semicolon always. Alright, so let's check this out. So the very first one says the new data is educate financial, and this next one said the data. The very first one said the data value is educate financial, and the second one said the data value is educate financial, and last one says the new value is hello world. So educate financial is now replaced with hello world. Okay. So in that same way, you can replace your values. Go ahead and close this so we can be able to look at the code. So you can replace values in an array using str, this command strcpy. So put the array name, and then you go ahead and insert whatever you want. It will replace the original value right there. So I hope you can see that, and you can be able to pull it down and check it out and make sure that you get something similar and something better than what I have. So practice with this and play around with it, and you know some other things. And if you have any question in this particular video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.